Hi everybody! I'm going to do a makeup tutorial and discuss each product. I am starting with the Medicube. I'm doing their Deep Vita C Pad. Starting with this just to kind of clean up the makeup, just freshen up the face. I'm going to just wipe down the whole face. Oh, it feels so good. I use a bunch of their different pads, from vitamin C to the tea tree oil to just like an everyday pad. I just love them. I like using my mini fan. Use the mini fan to just dry the skin and not wipe off any of the product. I love this little thing. Okay. Then I go in with the Medicube hyaluronic acid. Forehead, fine line areas. I like putting hyaluronic acid directly on my face. I think it really helps with fine lines. It moisturizes them deeply. And usually all of these fine lines are dehydration lines. Okay, next I'm going to use the Medicube, the vitamin C capsule cream. It's one of my absolute favorites. Oh my god. Shit. It just spilled everywhere. This is not something I want to waste. Holy crap. Okay, here we go. I always do neck and ears and rub in deeply where the fine lines are. After that, I'm going to use the sperm. I can't believe I'm even saying that. Apparently now we put sea animal sperm on our faces. I mean, look at the glow though, and the moisture is insane. And then last beauty product is the Extreme Cream. This is incredible for fine lines, for lifting and firming your face. So it's like literally a facelift in a bottle. Okay. Okay, now I'm really moisturized. Put it on my arm just because we got a lot of extra product. Okay. Do a little more. One more quick dry. Okay, first thing, I'm going to use the e.l.f. primer. And this just helps the makeup stay on. It grips the makeup. And just helps it stay on a little longer throughout the day. Okay, so I am tan. I normally do a little bit of this, which is the Hourglass Veil in the Hydrating Skin Tint and the number 7. But this is a bit light for me right now, so I'm going to do Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation in number 11 Neutral. I use my brush from Whoosh Makeup. And obviously your foundation changes if obviously you're tan or a little bit lighter. And make sure you get it on your neck so that it matches your face. A little bit on the ear. Now I'm going to do a little contour with the Say makeup. This one is in Stinson. I literally just go on the cheekbone. 2 dots. I go on the eyelids as my eyeshadow. Little contour. Take my same brush. Let's blend. once that is blended in, I will use the Say Blush in Dreamy. I literally just 2 dots. This one's pretty strong. I use this brush for everything. Sometimes you just need one brush, you guys. Tap, 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 right on the cheekbone, and then bring it up. Carry it up so it lifts the face. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to do eyebrows, and I'm going to go in with, make sure I'm recording. Okay. I'm going to use the KOSAS, which I love. I'm going to do the clear just to kind of lift them and brush them. And I'm going to use the KOSAS Tinted Eyebrow Gel. And again, I'm just going to brush it in. Mascara, I'm going to go in with it's called Panorama. This is by L'Oreal. It's easy and I love it. No, wait, I haven't done my eye. Hold on. I'm going to use the KOSAS eyeliner in the brown really quick. You could do just mascara, obviously. I'm going to do a little fine line there. And KOSAS has a ton of different colors that are fabulous, you guys. Okay. Liner done. Now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal mascara. In the black. What I love about the L'Oreal mascara is that I love the brush. For some reason, it just really gets in there and lifts the lashes. Just a really good one. Okay, I'm going to put Charlotte Tilbury a little bit of the pink highlighter just for a little glow. Okay. Go under eye real quick to pop the under eye, you guys. And I like doing this at the end because, and this is the one that I use. It's called the Under Eye Brightener by Catrice. I got this. It's an instant awake. It has like caffeine in it. And, what is that? Okay. And I literally just go. And it's like an espresso for your eyes. Let me show you. Okay, it's all blended in, makes your eyes pop. Then I go in after, just really quick, with the Mario, Makeup by Mario, their bronzer, cream bronzer, to just blend in right here so it doesn't look so like bright, you know what I mean? So you don't see that specific line right there, I kind of just blend it. Make sure all of it is nice and blended. Okay. And then I'm going to do right at the end, let me do lips. Hold. The lip stain. I'm doing the nude. This is the nude. I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to use my fan real quick just to speed it up. It's about 5 minutes on. Hold. Obviously do this at the beginning. I really forgot, but if you do the lip stain at the beginning and then finish your makeup, then your lip stain is dried at the end. You just peel it off. So I'm just using the fan to just give it a little quickness for this. Wipe it off. You have the perfect lip stain. All done. Lip stain is perfection. It's just like a perfect nude. I add a little of the clear. It's called Super Boost. I use the e.l.f. setting spray. Last but not least, the Fleur in the Vanilla Skin to smell fabulous. Okay, makeup is done. Make yourself a priority because it feels really good. Love you all.